Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can distort shapes and objects in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me navigate to LibreOffice Draw, and as you can see I applied a shape distortion to that rectangle here. Let me show you how to do that on a completely blank page. Let us start with another rectangle. To do that, click into the rectangle tool here on the left hand side, and that sidebar, position it on your canvas with your left mouse. Next, right click into the given shape, hover your mouse over transformations and choose the lowermost option, which is distort. Confirm by clicking into yes. And now if you hover your mouse over one of these corners, you will see the cursor switching to that hand tool. Left click, hold your left mouse, and after that you may adjust the distortion, for example, to change the dimensions of the given shape, like this and like that. And now your rectangle looks like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.